99% of men never do these things, yet women secretly love them. It might sound surprising, but let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a man who seems to have everything? Looks, money, confidence, yet he still struggles to create a real emotional connection with women. Meanwhile, another guy who doesn't seem extraordinary somehow attracts attention effortlessly. Why? It's not luck, it's not status, it's something far more subtle. The truth is that most men overlook a few small but incredibly powerful behaviors that trigger attraction on a deeper level. Behaviors that women rarely talk about openly but deeply respond to. And in this video, you're going to discover 7 hidden secrets that instantly set certain men apart. These are not the typical dating tips you've heard 100 times. Instead, they combine psychology, emotional intelligence, and timeless Stoic wisdom to create attraction naturally without chasing, begging, or trying too hard. Imagine this for a moment. What if you understood the subconscious signals that make a woman feel seen, valued, and emotionally connected? What if you could stand out from 99% of men simply by understanding the small things that truly matter? Because when you know these secrets, attraction stops feeling complicated, it becomes natural. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final secret is the one most men completely overlook. Yet it can change how women perceive you almost instantly. But before we begin, if you enjoy learning the deeper psychology of attraction and relationships, subscribe to the Love Blueprint and turn on notifications so you never miss the insights that help you become the best version of yourself. Now, let's start with secret number 1. Secret 1: the power of touch before intimacy. Imagine you're on a date. The conversation is good, she's laughing. Everything seems to be going well, but something still feels slightly distant. You drop her home, send a text later, and suddenly she disappears. What happened? Most men believe attraction is built only through words, but for women, connection is emotional and physical. And one of the most underrated ways to create that connection is intentional touch. Not aggressive, not awkward, but subtle, calm, and respectful. A simple gesture like a gentle shoulder touch or supportive contact during a moment of laughter can create a feeling of warmth and comfort because what it communicates is powerful. I see you, I'm present with you, you're safe around me. And presence is rare today. Most people are distracted, but a man who is calm, attentive, and grounded creates a different kind of energy. This is exactly what Stoic philosophy teaches. True strength is quiet presence, and when a woman feels that presence, she remembers it. Secret: flirting with confidence and respect. Most men misunderstand flirting. They either try too hard and come across as desperate, or they hold back completely because they fear saying the wrong thing. But the truth is simple. Women love flirting when it feels natural and confident. Flirting should feel like a dance, not an interview. Light teasing, playful challenges, and confident eye contact create energy in a conversation. For example, if she says she loves a certain food, you might smile and say, "Really? That's your favorite?" Clearly, you haven't tried my cooking yet. It's playful, it's confident, and it creates emotional engagement. The key is this: you're not flirting to impress her, you're flirting because you enjoy the moment. And that mindset alone makes you far more attractive. Secret 3: the power of touching her hair. This is something most men never think about. But when done naturally, touching a woman's hair at the right moment can create a powerful sense of intimacy. The scalp is extremely sensitive, filled with nerve endings connected to emotional responses. But the real power isn't in the physical touch, it's the message behind it. When you gently brush a strand of hair away from her face during a close moment, it communicates attentiveness and care. But timing matters. This only works after comfort and chemistry already exist. Stoic wisdom reminds us that emotional intelligence means reading the moment before acting. When you understand timing, even the smallest gesture becomes powerful. Secret 4: the hand on her back. This simple gesture says more than words ever could. When walking together or guiding her through a crowded place, placing your hand briefly on her back communicates something deeply attractive. Confidence, leadership, protection, not dominance, just calm awareness. It shows you're present and grounded. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one. And a man who leads with quiet confidence never needs to prove it. His actions speak for him. Secret 5, being her protector in small ways. Being a protector today doesn't mean dramatic heroics. Modern women are independent and capable, but they still deeply appreciate a man who makes them feel safe and supported. Not through control, but through small moments. Walking her safely to her car, standing beside her when someone is rude, remaining calm in stressful situations, these small signals build trust. A stoic man doesn't react emotionally. He stays steady, aware, and composed. And that emotional stability is incredibly attractive. Secret 6, the psychological power of dreams. This one is surprisingly powerful. Imagine casually saying during conversation, I had the strangest dream about you last night. Then pause. Let curiosity do the rest. Almost every time she'll ask, wait, what was it about? And you can respond lightly, I don't remember everything, but we were just talking somewhere and it felt really peaceful. This creates a subtle emotional connection because it suggests she exists in your subconscious world. It creates intrigue, mystery, and emotional curiosity. And curiosity is one of the strongest drivers of attraction. Secret, the psychology of a well groomed beard. You might think a beard is just a style choice, but psychology says otherwise. Studies show women often associate well groomed beards with strength, maturity, protection. These signals are deeply rooted in human evolution. But here's the key, it's not about simply growing facial hair, it's about maintaining it well. A clean, intentional appearance signals discipline and self respect. And self respect is always attractive. Conclusion, becoming the man who stands out. Now you know 7 powerful behaviors most men completely overlook. Small things that create real attraction. Not tricks, not manipulation, just presence, awareness, and emotional intelligence. And here's the truth, these habits don't just make you more attractive to women, they make you a stronger man in every area of life. Confidence, calmness, purpose, these are the qualities that naturally draw people towards you. So now the question is simple. Will you stay like the 99% of men who ignore these small details, or will you become part of the 1% who truly understand connection? If you found value in this video, subscribe to the Love Blueprint and join a community of men focused on self-improvement, confidence, and mastering relationships. And before you go, tell me in the comments which of these secrets surprised you the most.